Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of fix your mic on Discord. So you're just going to go to user settings and go to voice and video, and then on input device select the correct one. My one is this one and also this one, and then you can check your mic. And for instance, the mic isn't, well, it's still having like problems. You can turn this off and then adjust the input sensitivity, and hopefully after that your mic will start to work. That's pretty much how you can fix like your mic and audio in Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!